and welcome. I'm Allison Merritt, and today on Thinking Outside the Box, I have an unboxing video. This box is from RJCrafts, and I know it's chocked full of goodies. So these are actually going to be a surprise, except for possibly one thing in here, but I'm not sure. And that one thing I may not be able to show you, so I need to be very careful. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not sure where my assistant is, Mr. Pumpkin. Oh, he's over here playing with water in the dog's water bowl. But maybe he'll join us. All right. Got that open. Oop. Better find that cap, or a cat will have it. All right, let's see what we have here. I love unboxing. First I need to peek because, oh, yep, there's something in here that I can't show you. It's for a future tutorial. Something I designed for you guys. And there's two parts to it. Oh, yep, I see the other part. Hang on. Can't see this. Oop. All right. Got those out. All right, let's see what we have. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness, Tootsie Rolls. My daughter's gonna be so excited. I always give her the Tootsie Rolls. And Rhonda is so sweet to always send Tootsie Rolls, so those are for you, Paige, if you're watching. All right, what do we have here? We have got some needle tip bottles, and I am excited about these because you can put super fine glitter in these and puff the glitter out. You can put paint in these and be more precision with your painting if you want. Or do dots of paint with them. You can put liquid polymer clay in here that maybe has a mix of some really fine glitter in it or color that you put together. And this little top you put on, and that will stop anything from drying out in there. So these are something brand new that are already in the shop at RJCrafts. I will have links to everything in the description. So very cool. I'm excited to use those. Next, oh, we have some water pens. I love these. These are awesome because they're actually water brush pens, I should call it. There's a brush tip up here, and you can put inside the pen, this unscrews, if I did it the right way. You can put water in here, and you can also put alcohol ink in here, but this would be a really good thing to use with the water technique with my color shifting paints. Not my paints, I didn't make them, but with the tutorial that I did, this would be really cool. You could do precision stuff with that. That's awesome. Very cool. And those are also, I'm assuming, in the shop. So awesome. Thank you, Rhonda. Oh, the new tools. Yes. Very excited for these. All right. This rubber tip sculpting tool. That's cool. Can get into precision places with that. I like the color of it too. Copper. This tool here, I have been wanting one of these so badly. I've been using a wire brush to do a lot of my texturing in the clay. And I mean, I could have made a tool similar to this, but hey, if someone else is willing to have it and make it for me, I just usually go that route. A feather wire texture tool. Very cool. You just run that across the clay and get yourself some nice texture. I will be using that a lot. Awesome. And this looks like a needle tip tool. Needle pin tool, needle tip tool. And you can do all sorts of stuff with this. Oop. That's on there to protect you because, ooh, yeah, that's pretty sharp. But yeah, I mean, you can pierce beads with this. You can do so many things. You could even roll beads on that, I guess. Roll clay around it. Stainless steel. Very cool. Excited about that. Oops. And last but not least, we have another needle tip tool. Ooh, okay. Awesome. Can never have too many of these, and I want to keep that little cap to it because this is sharp. You don't want to poke yourself with that. You could cut yourself or poke yourself, so it's best to leave that plastic on top, which I will get later. But I'm wondering, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So these are new tools that are in the shop at RJCrafts.com. It's wonderful to have tools to work with the clay and to make textures. This would be a great tool to vein leaves if you wanted to make leaves, to push down petals onto your flowers. Pumpkin, come here. And to, these are awesome to work with alcohol inks, paints, glitters, liquid polymer clay, and I think I said paints. Whatever you can think of that would fit through there, those would be great for. And I don't know, I don't have little Pumpkin. Usually he does the unboxing videos with me. Let me see if I can find him. Pumpkin, don't you want to come say hi to everybody? Yeah, they missed you in the last video. Do you want to come say hello? There's a box for you, and it's your size. Look at that. Yeah, RJ Crafts takes care of you with the boxes. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Punky. Pumpkin. Ooh. Punky. Look up here. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Well, he's not being very sociable today. Hey, buddy. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. All right, that is my unboxing video. I wish I could have shown you the things that I had to snag out of there, but you will see them soon enough. You will see them, and I will have a tutorial for them the end of this coming week. So, until later, thanks for joining me. Bye.